am at Pike County Speedway. You can see what's behind me. I'm John's racer. And there he is right there. See?
Howdy.
That is what it is all about. Racers.
And you know what?
Adorable.
I didn't look at him and almost knew that was
I call him the famous racer of all time.
How do you do? I'm a famous racer.
Doo-doo-doo.
I just play a racer on TV.
Yeah.
A miniature boat. Right?
And okay, let's see if you can see inside of it. Here's what's inside and a little boy. I'm kidding. See, here is what's inside the racer. A seat and some gas things and all the things. And look, there's a GoPro. Hi, GoPro.
No, I'm just trying. I'm not.
Say hello.
What's up, Paul Michael fans?
Woo! That thing's a good one there. Guys, I am not showing you the surprise. Doo-doo. Yep, right side. Ha. Can't see it. Can't see it. Can't see it. Yeah, you can't see it. Can't see it. Ooh. I gotta turn sharp.
Yeah. The only thing was different with this.
Can you tell us your name, sir?
Brandon Miller.
How was your experience racing?
Good. Track was good. Moving around a little bit. It a little bit of grip on top. It nice place.
Yeah. So what's your race car called?
Tangerine Dream.
Tangerine Dream. That's a good name for it.
Yes.
And it's sure hot is here, isn't it?
Yeah. It's extremely hot. How you enjoying it out here today?
Good.
very cool.
Hey, Roy, you still like to drive?
My name is Roy. I like to drive.
You did a good job, didn't you? Roger, you should get over here. Oh. He left like 2 minutes before they showed up. Yeah. Put your helmet on. All right. I'll see you on the track. She'll be the one in black. You'll be the one in black.
enjoyed going on this adventure with me, and there's more to come to this YouTube channel. I cannot thank you enough for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed already, please go hit the subscribe button and ring that bell. Smack that
that like button and leave some comments, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Hope y'all having a great day.